Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to use WeTransfer to send files. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar that you can see at the top. Type in WeTransfer.com. Press enter. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can see over here you'll be led to the official website of WeTransfer. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here, you'll be able to find this kind of box. From here, you'll be able to send the file. So if you want to send the file, first of all, what you have to do is add the files, or you can also add the folders if you want. Simply click on the option of your choice. Here, if you click on the option Add Files, you can see over here you'll be able to select the files. Simply select the file of your choice. Click on the option Open. Now you can see over here that file will be added. You can also add more if you want. Now over here what you have to do is simply add the email. So click on the field of email. Now add the email to whom you want to send the file. Now you can see over here that email will be added. You can add up to 10 emails. Simply go on and add the emails. Now scroll down. You'll also be able to see your email over here. Also, you'll be able to see the title. You can edit the title if you want. Simply click on the field of title. Now you can simply edit the title. Erase the initial title and enter the new title over here. You can also enter the message if you want. Click on the field of message. Now simply enter the message over here. Now scroll down. Now after you fill in all these informations, click on the option Expires In. Now you'll also be able to select the expiry time period over here. 1 day and 3 days are free. To select the time period more than that, you'll need to access the Pro account. So simply click on the option of your choice. Now you can also access more options by clicking on the 3 dots that you can see right over here. Now you'll be able to find the options like send email, create link, verification, appearance, price, password, etc. If you want to send the email, click on the option send email. If you want to create the link instead, you can click on the option create link. If you want to add any verification, you can also do that by simply clicking on the field of verification. Likewise, you'll also be able to select the appearance, price and password if you want. You can also skip this process if you want. Now after you do all that, what you have to do is click on the continue option that you can see on the screen. Now you'll have to track who accesses your file. Simply click on the option of your choice. You'll be able to find two options, track downloads, anonymous downloads. Click on the option of your choice. Now click on the transfer option that you can see on the screen. Now wait for a while. Now you can see over here the email has been sent. You'll also be able to see the details of the file over here. Now this file has been sent. So like this, you'll be able to send the files using WeTransfers. So that is how you use WeTransfer to send the files. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.